Well, I guess it's time.
Lord! Crazy Dive with a 4x top! Guys, it's Crazy Dive!
Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Cash with a 4x top slot. Oh, come on. Guys, it's Crazy Dive! It's time to open the red door. Finally, it's crazy time. Let's open the red door. Let's go for crazy time for the crazy world. Welcome everyone to Crazy Time. Welcome to the crazy world with the biggest wheel, Crazy Time. It's time for you to choose blue, yellow, green, which flapper. And the most popular is the blue. And the highest is 100x. And let's double it. Let's double it! It's a double for the yellow flapper. 25x for green, 10x for the blue. Congrats, blue, yellow flapper, congrats. And now the highest is 200x. Let's double it, right? Yellow flapper, let's double it.
This is the amount of money issued 25,798 euros.
That's a 200x, the highest. For to make a decision. Crazy Time with a 4x top slot. Crazy Time with a 4x top slot. It's the top slot win, everyone. Crazy Time with a 4x top slot. Let's go. And welcome everyone to Crazy Time with the top slot 4x. Woohoo! And it's time. We are going to add that 4x to the Crazy Time wheel. And now it's time for you to choose. Which flapper, everyone? Blue, yellow, green. 3 options. And most of the people are going for the blue flapper. Blue flapper. And now, the highest ornament is 400x, but let's double it. Let's double it.
This is the amount of money issued 77,276 euros.
200x for the green flapper. Again, the highest for the blue and green. Wow. 200x for the blue and the green! Congratulations, everyone!
Well, anyways, what do we have? Give us a 500, so... Okay, it's gonna be 100. So we got a 5 times better everything. I beg your pardon. So we have a 500, 125, and some more. Good luck to you, I guess. Let's hide. Lock up your daughters. Lock up your wives. Drive is back in the town. Oi, 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 oi. Alright, whatever, guys. Anyways, you do your stuff. You have an aim, you aim, shoot, 500, boom, easy. Auto pick gonna happen if you're not gonna pick. What else? This is finally life-changing? Well, you tell me after.
This is the amount of money issued 463,200 euros.
It's very middle-ish. How many of you? 175, 500x. Actually, that's a lot. That's really good. Top winner, I'll do with a 500x. Nice, nice. Good job, guys. Everyone who made some real nice money. And yeah, let's continue, I guess. Yesterday. Oh, yo, let's go, ski broski. Easy Winsky. Big Winsky. Paczynski. Can we get ski?
Gentlemen, the Baba Power. That's a cash on with a 2x from the top slot. Welcome everybody to the cash-ins. Let's check it out, the multipliers. We got some 50x, 20x, 75x. Let's add that 2x from the top slot. So that, oh no, wait a second, not 100x, but 500x. So the max multiplier 1000x. Let's go and get it, guys. Whoa. This might be big, guys. This might be big. Right, the carousel has been stopped. Your mission right now is to get a good aim, take a good shot, try to hunt down that 100x. But if you do not want to do it yourself, Auto Pick is here to help. Right, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna choose this box.
This is the amount of money issued 183,200 euros.
Choose. Right, let's check it out who got it, guys. GN Brian, yeah, Tiago Bingo with a 1000x multi
L200. Come on, baby. Woo! Another one. What is going on, guys? What is going on? We got a cash hunt with the 7x. Yo. The game is becoming great. Greater and greater by the moment. So 75ers, let's apply that 7x, guys. All right, guys, there's a 700. Let's go, baby. Good luck, everyone. We got to mix it up, guys. Guys, look at those bonuses, man. All of a sudden, the whole course of the game has changed dramatically, guys. I mean, on the good side, of course. So, pick a spot, guys. Shoot the emblem where you think the highest multi will be. You can let the game do it for you. You can let the game do it for you. The auto pick is there for you guys. I mean, this one is a good one. 2 amazing.
This is the amount of money issued 463,032 euros.
Multis, 525ers, 700. Congratulations to the winners. 5,100 winners. Paulo, Hudson, Jihad, top outs. Amazing, guys. I mean, let's hope even more fortune comes. Love you, Antonio. Thank you, guys. Love you too. Auto 35 for you, Auto. Ay, 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 ay. What's up, dude? Cheddar Riz. Capri, top outs. Desi, showtime. It's showtime. Good luck, everybody. 2x on a coin flip, ladies and gentlemen. In yesterday. Oh man, we're getting a lot of coin flips. That's another one. This time with a top slot, guys. Okay, let's prepare for some big wins, baby. What is it going to be? Guys, check it out. 100x blue, 4x on the red, and we double up. 200 on the blue, Please give us that blue.
This is the amount of money issued 543,847 euros.
Here we go, baby. 200x. Who said coin flip needs to be removed? Who said it? No need to remove coin flip. 200x. Guys, 4,600 winners. Oh, baby, baby. Dude, for a second, I thought the coin is gonna go on the red. But it changed its mind. Woo! 7x on a cash hunt. That would be juicy as well. Yo, guys.
Got that great learn strategy. And lift off. 7x on crazy time. From the top slot. Let's go. Well, I guess it's time. Let's go to crazy time, guys. You know what time it is. The door is open. Let's go. And welcome to crazy time. How's it going? Let's go, let's go. And of course, that is a 7x multiplier from the top slots. So, needs in my eye. Pick your flapper. What are you gonna pick? Green, blue, yellow, you decide. You choose. And if you can't choose, let Otto pick it for you. So, top multiplier, 700x. Good luck. And I guess let's double the fun. Pretty green. Again. So, top multiplier, 1,400x. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued 1,653,175 euros.
Welcome back. So 11,773 total winners. Kathy, Cat Dolls, and Elle. Congratulations to all of you top winners. Well done. Feel free to place your bets right now while I got time to do so. And let's see what we got here, huh? Right. Let's go. Wop wop.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.